Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you guys how to do T-perm, um, JB or JA, I don't know. I think it's JB though. JB perm and A perm. So let's start off with the shortest one, which is A perm. Now this doesn't have to be the shortest algorithm, but this is what it is, and just what you would have to do in petition. So and this is how to do them fast. If you already know them, this is how to do them fast. So put on your left hand your thumb and your middle finger on both centers, um, the yellow center and the white center, and these on two, and your thumb and your middle finger on two edges of your right hand, the red and orange one. So now what you want to do is to R prime, and then so you see I brought these down. Then U R prime, D2 with your ring finger or whatever, fourth finger, and then keep these positioned, and then you do R U prime R prime, D2 R2. Now, yeah. Yep, that's basically the A perm. Now with the next shortest one, which is the J perm, there's kind of two parts of it. You need to know the T perm to know the J perm, though. So let's move on to the T perm and then skip the J perm. So what you want to do with this one is, you hold your left hand on two centers, red and orange, and your right hand on two edges, blue, the top one, white and yellow. So it's basically like you would do this in a competition. So this is how you do it. This is the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F. Now I'm just gonna say this one time. You guys can pause the video if you need to write it down or something. Yeah, that's basically it. So for the next one, I have the J perm. So here's the algorithm. Well, here's what you would do. Yep. I think this is JB or J. I have no idea actually. So here's the algorithm. It might sound kind of familiar because you need to know the T perm. So it's R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime. So that was the last 9 moves was part of the T perm. So yeah, it'll look like this. It'll look like a J. These need to be switched, and these need to be switched. So kind of like a J. And this is really cool because, and this is the T perm. Switches around these two and these two. It's kind of like a T. And what the A perm does is, just like you would expect it to, do something like an A, of course. So this switch with that, this switch with that, and these. So it's like kind of like an A. And if you do that again, it might get you to this case. Oh dang it. And just because this video isn't up to 5 minutes yet, it's almost there. Let me show you my favorite algorithm. It's like really nice. I don't know what permutation it is though. Is it the B perm or the H perm or no? The H perm is no. No. Yeah, guys. So that's basically. Bye.